3000 words, lesson 24. Let's learn the vocabulary together. 30 words for this week. Brand, branded. The company launched a new brand of shoes. Couch. I bought a comfortable couch. Atheist, atheistic. My friend is an atheist. Will. It will rain tomorrow. This is my last will. November. My birthday is in November. Decoration. I love the decoration in your house. First time. It was my first time visiting New York City. Insult. She felt hurt by the insult. Living room or sitting room. Let's rearrange the furniture in the living room. Never. I have never been to Asia. Participate, participate in, participant. Are you going to participate in the charity run? Tomato. Would you like some tomato sauce on your pasta? Week, weekly. We meet for dinner every week. Socks. I need to buy new socks. Freeze, froze, frozen. Freezer. We keep fruits in the freezer for winter. Liberty or liberty. Freedom. People fought for liberty and the right to live freely. Perfume. She sprayed some perfume on before going out. Strange, stranger. The house had a strange smell. Disagree. It's okay to disagree with someone. Anybody, anyone. Anybody can join the club. 2. I need to go to the store to buy some groceries. Interest. His interest in photography is great. Cash. Can you lend me some cash? July. Independence Day is in July. Waste. It's a waste to throw away so much food. Thousand. The car cost several $1,000s. Run, ran, run. I ran to catch the bus, but I missed it by a few seconds. Parent. My parents always support me no matter what. Require. Requirement. Meeting the deadline is requirement for this project. Target. The company's target market is young professionals.